The LA Dodgers South Korean pitcher Ryu Hyun-jin has hit his first career home run in Major League Baseball. In doing so, Ryu also racked up his 13th win of the season. Hyeong-woo reports.
It was the bottom of the fifth inning at Dodger Stadium on Sunday. With his team trailing the Colorado Rockies by 1 run, the Dodgers' starting pitcher Ryu Hyun-jin took matters into his own hands, not on the mound this time, but in the batter's box. He took a huge swing against a fastball from Antonio Senzatelae, and the ball flew over the fence in right center field, giving Ryu his first career home run in Major League Baseball. It was his 210th career at-bat since joining the big league in 2013. Ryu becomes just the third South Korean pitcher to hit a homer in the majors, following Park Chan-ho and Baek Cha-seung. Ryu's solo home run sparked a rally from his teammates, with slugger Cody Bellinger blasting a grand slam to give the Dodgers a 5-1 lead later in the fifth inning. The Korean monster got the job done on the mound as well. Over the course of 7 innings, Ryu held the Rockies to just 3 runs while striking out 8 to earn his 13th win of the season and first triumph since August 11th. Ryu's earned run average, or ERA, edged up to 2.41, but he still leads the league in that category. In the final home showing before the playoffs, the Dodgers went on to win 7-4 to earn their 100th victory of the regular season. Already having clinched the National League West Division, the Dodgers will look to keep their winning momentum going as they prepare for the playoffs that start next month. Hyeong-woo, Arirang News.